Welcome to the Yival Translator demo. Are you ready to explore the power of Yival and build your very own cost-effective translator using GPT-4? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Experience Yival's powerful features by building a budget-friendly translator with GPT-4. By leveraging Replicate and GPT-4's test data, you can fine-tune Llama 2, our translation bot, and enjoy substantial savings while maintaining great performance. We provide you with two fantastic ways to fine-tune Llama 2: Replicate API call and SFT trainer. With the replicate option, we use just 400 examples and fine-tune with 10 epochs. The results are impressive. Alternatively, you can fine-tune your model locally with Yival SFT trainer. We utilize the 8 NVIDIA 1080 Ti GPUs and trained for 8 hours on the EMNLP 2020 translation dataset. The results speak for themselves. After fine-tuning, our new Llama 2 model can achieve performance comparable to GPT 3.5. But what is Yival? Yival is a versatile platform that supports customized test data, evaluation methods, and enhancement strategies, all in one. It empowers you to generate better results, reduce latency, and decrease inference costs. Yival offers native support for multimodal apps, including text, audio, image, and video. It's designed for multi-components, which don't have to be GenAI specific, making it extremely versatile. Why should you choose Yival? Well, it provides native support for RLHF and RLAIF, which stands for Reinforcement Learning with Human Feedback and Reinforcement Learning from Autonomous Interaction with Feedback. Additionally, Yival boasts the most advanced open-source enhancement algorithms. Now, let's dive into the process of fine-tuning LLMs in Yival. Begin by installing the latest Yival with Git. You can also install it with pip if you prefer a simpler installation process. Next, configure your OpenAI API key for Yival, as well as your Replicate API key, which we will use for fine-tuning Llama 2. Optionally, you can change your GPT-4 model to GPT 3.5 Turbo in the configuration file. If you don't have a GPT-4 account, you can complete the entire process with GPT 3.5 Turbo by modifying the model name in the config file. If you prefer to use GPT 3.5 Turbo, you can change the Use GPT 3.5 Turbo to True and automatically replace all instances of GPT-4 with GPT 3.5 Turbo in the provided YAML files. Now, let's put Yival to the test with the Yival Translate quiz. We'll start by using GPT-4 to generate translation data with the OpenAI Prompt Data Generator. Variations are essential in Yival. We'll compare the translation capabilities of two LLMs, GPT 3.5 Turbo and Llama 2 13B. To evaluate the translation ability of the models, we'll use the Yival BERT Score Evaluator, a metric that captures semantic similarities between machine and reference translations. According to the experiment results analysis, it's obvious that Llama 2 can't handle Chinese translation really well without fine-tune. So now, it's time to fine-tune Llama 2 for improved translation. We'll start with fine-tuning Llama 2 using the replicate API call. For more substantial improvement, we can use the SFT trainer to fine-tune Llama 2. After fine-tuning, we can evaluate the performance of Llama 2 compared to the original GPT 3.5 Turbo. We'll use metrics like BERT score to measure the quality of the generated translations. The performance improvements of Llama 2 after fine-tuning are truly impressive. In conclusion, Yival and GPT-4 allow you to fine-tune LLMs to achieve exceptional translation quality. You have the flexibility to choose between Replicate API and SFT Trainer for different levels of improvements. Now that you've learned how to build your cost-effective translator with Yival and GPT-4, the next steps are up to you. Explore the possibilities and unlock the full potential of AI-powered translation. Get started with Yival today and elevate your translation capabilities.